Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to hide my live location on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to hide your live location on Snapchat is important for maintaining your privacy and security. And also, by hiding your live location, you can prevent others from tracking your movements in real time through the Snap Map feature. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Well, after that, enter to Map tabs here. So in this page, select Settings option at the corner. Well, so now you have to make sure that this toggle is on to hide your live location. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to hide live location on Snapchat app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.